So class, please confirm it is clear to you or not. I started the recording now. It's late. I forgot to start it that time. Actually, today again the chat window is not there. Yes, sir, clear. So sometimes these general terms, Sarvagya and Bani, these general terms are obtained by a lot of practice, a lot of observation. Okay. So some people who were mathematicians or something, you can understand like this. They were having many triangles with them. They tried to find the area. So in rectangle, when we divide, we take b into h, but in triangle, we take half into h. Yes, very good, very critical. So the thing is, while finding the area, they found that if it is perpendicular and base and multiply half, and we take any triangle, we get the area exact by that formula. That's why they gave the formula on that day. Okay, this was the reason. It was not like that they are doing some sort of yagya or havan and they got the formula evolved from there. So it was just meek observation. That's it. Okay. Similar thing is with the 3D figures also. So not understood, Ashmit. Okay, Ashmit, 1 second. The thing is, suppose you have a cylinder with you. You have a cylinder with you. It will never tell you what is its formula to find the volume. So your voice is coming low. Okay, wait. Now it will be fine, I think. The question was, it is fine, yes. The question is like this, suppose we have a cylinder, we want to find its volume. We have a cone, we want to find its volume. What you can do is, you can put some water in this, you can put some water in this volume, in this cylinder, and then you can put it in some container in which you have some readings in ml or liters. Suppose it gives you that this water is 2 liters. Then similar way, you take another container of some different radius and you again check the water contained in it. After many observations, what you will do is, you will get to a point when you can predict that if I know the radius, if I know the height, and if I use this formula pi r square h, I can say the volume is this only. So these are only some numbers you are giving in general. It is known as general term. It is known as general term, as we have seen in these examples. After observations, we get these terms. Same is the case with triangle also. After many observations, they found that if you use this formula, half into base into height, and you put the value, you will get the correct answer always. No way you will get a wrong answer if you use this formula in a triangle. That's it. I hope my point is clear to you, class. Sarvagya, cylinder is not in your course. Sir, rectangle formula is obtained by triangle formula. No, Bunny, ऐसा नहीं है. We are just trying to explain them in terms of other figure. That's it. It was actually done in a different way. Okay, it was done in a different way. There are many conventions. Okay, maybe how to tell you? We know L into B is area. We know L is length. Why? Because all over the world we have told everyone this thing. If you remember, we know 1 kg of fruit can be bought if you have this stone with you. You have seen this 1 kg stone kept at the shopkeepers. Plus, don't know why it is happening today. The chat window is going again and again. Okay. So class, in the shop it is kept. So the thing is, we all have accepted this thing. We all have accepted that if this 1 kg is there, we will assume or we will take everything on the right hand side as 1 kg only. Same thing is with this also. We came with many scientists. One said we will take area as B into H or L into B in the case of rectangle. In all over the world, it is same. Okay, so that we have a uniform thing all over the world. Wherever you go in any country, you can say the area formula is same. The formula of compounds is same. Water is called water only in other countries. Okay, that's it. So we can define rectangle in terms of triangle area. We can define triangle in terms of rectangle area because they are close to each other. That's why. Okay. Now let's continue with our discussion. Actually, these are all research work that has been done much before today. Let's see now. Okay, so where were we? I hope you people have solved these questions on your own. Tell me your doubts in question number 1 if you have any. I will discuss that question only. Please confirm. Let me start. Okay. Sir, no doubt in question number 1. Okay, let's see. From my side, I will take one example. Find the area of each of the following parallelogram. So we know all of them are parallelogram, and we know area of parallelogram is given by base into height, where base is the side on which we have corresponding height. Okay. Now, if I take this figure D, tell me what is the answer. What will be your base? Tell me what is your base and what is your height. In this figure D, what is your base and what is your height? So what is the value of pi? Ryan, pi is 22/7, an approximate value that we take. The base is 5, that is CB, and the height is AE, which is 4.8. Very good. So we can say area of parallelogram AR ABCD is equal to base into height, that is CE into AE. Sorry, it is CB. My mistake. CB into AE. What is the value of CB? It is 5 centimeter and AE is 4.8 centimeter. And the answer is what? Please confirm. The answer is 24 centimeter. No centimeter only, but a square also. 24 centimeter square. So these are very easy questions. You just need to put the formulas B into H and you will get the answer. Now we have some triangles. In triangles, again, you have to find the base and the height. Suppose I take this triangle A, B, and C. Tell me what is the base and what is the height. This chat window is causing a lot of problem. Tell me what is the base, what is the height. Just one second. I'm pausing the recording. Okay. So, yes, class. So we have base equal to how much? Base is your AC and height is BD. So we can say the area is area. This AR is shortcut of area. Area triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height, and that is half into AC is how much? 5 into 3.2. Tell me what is the answer. Plus, tell me the answer. So could you repeat the last question again as I was? Okay, just one second. I'm repeating. This one is 8, 11, 1, 2. Okay. 7.5 centimeter square. Okay, let's see. So we can say we can cut this one. 2 1s are 2.6 and 5 into 1.6 is 5 6 are 12. Let me close this. Disturb you. Okay, then we have 500.6. 6.2 is the answer, class. Please confirm. Sorry, it is 5 6 30. 6 7 8. Answer is 8.0, I guess. Class, please confirm. Answer is 8.0 centimeter square. Yes, it is 8 centimeter square. Now you can see the D part also. In your book also it is solid figure. Please tell class, is this dotted or solid in your book? Please confirm this thing, because I think this should be dotted. Yes, in my this it is wrong. Sir, could you repeat the last question again? I was discontinued of question number 1. Mokshita, please watch it again in the next video. It was simple. Base into height we have done. Okay. Just we have found the base as 5 centimeter and the height as 4.8 and we multiplied these two and got the answer. Okay. In this question, what is your base? If I call it as A, B, C, D, tell me what is your base and what is your height in this triangle? We just have applied the formula. Sir, here also it is not dotted. Okay, no issue. In some book it is dotted, in some it is not. It should be dotted only because it is an extended one. This side is extended side. Tell me which side is your base and which side is your height. Kritika is saying AD is height and BC is base. Very good. So BC is the base, that is 3 centimeter, and this is your height. So half into base, that is 3 centimeter, into height 2 centimeter, 2 and 2 cancel. 3 centimeter square is the answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. So read my chat. Bani, okay. You said BC and H is AD. Correct. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the missing values. Very simple question. You just need to go with the formula and you will find the answer. Suppose base is given to you. So you can take it is as small b, it as small h, and this is your AR. So you all know area is given by base into height. If area is given as 246, base is given as 20, can't you find the h plus? If you put these values in the equation, can't you find the value of h? Just by isolating it, you can do it easily. Yes, sir, I can do third part. Third part also. Huh? So these are all are very easy. Only you have to solve it. Okay, let me solve one part for you, which is little bit looking decimal one. This one, let me try. The D part in this base into height is equal to area. Base is given to you as 15.6 into height is equal to 16.38. So H equal to how much? 16.38 upon 15.6. I have told you if you are not comfortable with decimals, it is always better to remove the decimals. So let's remove the upper decimal. What will happen? We will have 100 in the denominator. Remove the lower decimal, you will have 10 in the numerator. Cut the 0 and leave it because this 0 will not cut. Now solve this part. 1638 upon 156 into 10. Let's solve this one, and if you observe, it can be divided by 2. 2 sevens are 14, then 1 is remaining 16, 2 it is 16, 16, 2 ones are 2 nines are. Can we solve it further? Please confirm. Class, can we solve it further? Is there any common factor which can divide both the numbers? Yes, 3 can divide this number. Very good. Okay, so 3 2s are 6. Acha, why I got the answer as 3? Because I have checked the sum of digits is 15 over here and it is 9 plus 1 plus 8, 18 over here. So we can divide these numbers by 3 also. 6 and 3 6 are 18. 3 2s are 6. 3 7 is 21. 3 3 is 9. Now again if you check 2 plus 6 is 8. So you cannot divide it by 3. Now you have to think, is there any number which can divide these two? Because there is a number. If you think it is not that easy, but still I am hoping that you will find which number can divide both the numbers. Okay. Yes, Mokshita, who gives the answer? Kritika gives the answer. Rishi gives the answer. Very good. It is 13 because if you check this number, 13 2s are 26, then 1 is there, and we can say that directly divide it. 13 2s are 26, 13 1s are 13. Sorry, 13 2s are 26, and 1 is remaining. 13 1s are. This is the answer. 21 upon 2 into 10. That is 21 upon 20. Class, I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, you also told this thing, Bani. Good. Bani, actually, today the chat window is hiding. As soon as I write something on the screen, it hides. So that's why I'm not able to read many chats. So I have to click again to see the chat. Now, sir, it is confusing. Sarvagya, what is confusing? The calculation part. So then what is the height? 21 by 20 is the height. If you want to solve further, you can solve also. Sarvagya, please confirm. What is confusing, beta? Okay, in decimal you can find, no issue. Let's do it. 2 tens are 20, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are, then 1 is there, 2 fives are 10. So it is coming 10.5. If you cut this 0 also, decimal will shift one more place and the answer will be 1.05 centimeters. Class, you got this answer? Now confirm please. Sir, one more, Rishi Gupta. Okay. No, sir. Sarvagya, unmute yourself. 1 second. Let me speak to you. What is the issue? Okay. Yes, Sarvagya.
Sir, I can't understand.
What you can't understand?
Sir, whatever you did in this question.
The way I did this question, you can't understand?
Yes, sir.
Did you try this question on your own yesterday?
No, sir.
Without trying, how will you know that what I have done? Because you have nothing to compare with. It is a new thing for you. If you had tried this yesterday, it would have been easy thing for you. You should have tried this thing yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Before that, Bunny is asking, sir, I want to ask that if it is compulsory to write in decimal form without it. No, no, it is not compulsory, Bunny. It is we only who try to simplify the question to the last. If you leave the answer in fraction form also, that is also correct. No problem. Sir, why?
Sir, please put this recording. I will try to do, then I will see it again.
Okay, okay, okay. Sir, why are you not using 2?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. Ellen, 1 second. Let me see what you are saying. Yes, Ellen, unmute yourself. Which 2 you are saying?
Sir, first you were using 2 devices. Now from that one you can see chat also.
Okay, 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 okay. You are saying that too. I can see that, but not that easy to look here and there. That's why. Today only this problem is coming off chat window. It is not always there. Okay, so I think it is clear. Now let's take Bani saying, sir, if we write 21.2, then we will get mark. Oh, don't worry for the marks. You will get it. Don't worry. If you have done it correctly, it is fine. But sometimes in MCQs, you have to get to the answer which is written in the answer only, A, B, C, D option. Then it is a problem. Else, in normal solution, it is not required. So, but we should worry. Okay. Okay. Then start worrying, no issue. Now, the same question number 4, find the missing places. You know the base, height is missing. You know the area of triangle. Same thing, you write the formula. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Put the values. Area is 87 is equal to half. Base is 15 and height is unknown. To find the height, what will we do? We will isolate the h on right hand side. I will take the 2 to the numerator and I will take the 15 to the denominator. Now tell me how we can simplify this question. Anyone? Which number can divide? Which number can divide both the numbers? Just check by the divisibility rule. Yes, 3 can go. Very good. So we have 3 5s are 15, 3 2 the 6, 3 9 the 27. And now I think we are done. We cannot solve further. Or is there any possibility? Please confirm. I think we are done. Now there is no possibility, we cannot divide it further. So we will just multiply these two and we will say 2 9s are 18, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 upon 5 is equal to h. Now the problem is sometimes when we are checking the answer at the back, the answer is in decimals. So it is sometimes required to solve completely to get the confirmation that you have done correct. No problem, divide it. What is tough in that? 5 ones are 5. Then 8 is there, 5 ones are 5. 3 remainder, 0.30, 11.6 is the height of this particular triangle. I hope it is clear to you, class. Just confirm. It is clear to you? Yes. Okay. Now question number 5. Today's new question, because till 4th I told you to do yesterday. Question number 5 is saying PQRS is a parallelogram. Okay. Just let's see. just for a while, I will not see your chat because it will be gone when I'm writing over here. Let me erase this. Okay. Okay. So they are saying PQRS is a parallelogram 11.23. This is the figure that they have shown us. Class, you will help me in this question. Okay. I will not do this question. You will help me. So this is the blue pen. Now, QM is the height. QM is the height given to you, class. So obviously, if QM is height, what is the base? Please tell. Class, if you take QM as height, what is the base? Yes. If QM is the height, then this SR is the base. If you take QM as height, then SR is base. If you take QN as height, then what is the base? Please tell. Class, if you take QN as height, then what is the base? It is PS or SP, whatever you say. Now class, tell me, if we change the base and height, will the area change or will it remain the same? Class, please tell. If I change or if I take the first combination or I take the second combination, will the area change or not? It will remain the same. So class, this is the hint for you. Whether we take QM and SR as base and height or we take QN and PS as base and height, the area will remain the same. Only we are finding the answer in two ways. Okay, let's see now what we have to do. Okay, I will draw a diagram for you. Sarvagya, don't worry. Okay, so let me draw a new diagram for you. Let me erase all this. So this was the basics. This was the concept. And now let's see the question. PQRS is like this. Let me draw it again. Oh, the rainbow pen is there. Okay, so this is your P, Q, R, and S. Then they are saying QM is the height from Q to SR. So QM is the height like this. We have drawn. QN is the height from Q to PS. This is the second height given to you. They are saying if SR equal to 12 centimeter, and you already know this is 7.6, and QM is 7.6. Where is QM? This is QM. QM is there. Okay. Find this area of PQRS. You can find very easily. Okay, class, tell me what is the area. If QM is given to you and SR is given to you, area PQRS is given by base into height, the formula. Base in our case is we have taken as SR and height we have taken as QM. Just put the values. 12 into 7.6. That is, if you multiply 12 6 are how much? 72. 12 7s are 84. Plus 7 is plus 84 plus 7, 91, and a decimal, centimeter square. Please tell, is this correct? 91.2 centimeter square, we have got the area. Now, after doing the first part, what about second part? They are saying find QN if PS equal to 8 centimeter. Now tell me, how will you find it? Sir, I don't know how to do decimal. Oh, sir, decimal, so you have learned in previous classes also. Try to do more questions on decimals, then only it will be easy for you. Okay. So where is point N? 1 second, Ekta. 1 second, let me check. Point N is here, beta. So okay, don't worry, this decimal calculation will be easy for you once you try. Okay. Only you have to see the decimal places and you'll get the answer. Now, if you know that PS equal to 8 centimeter, can you find this QN? I have already given you the hint that area will remain the same even if we change the base and height. I told you area will remain the same even if we change the base and height. So let's find the area again with the different base and different height. So we can say Also, area of PQRS is given by PS multiplied with QN. Class, is this correct to say like this? Is it correct to say like that? PQR is equal to PS into QN, because we have the same parallelogram. We can take base and height, put the value. Area we have already found as 91.2 meter square, sorry, centimeter square, is equal to PS is 8, QN is unknown. Can we find QN from here now? Plus, so only hint was we had to understand that area of the parallelogram remains the same. It is not different. Sir, question is 11.6. I'm not getting. I have taken some wrong value. Let me check. 11.6. Okay, you are saying QN is 11.6. Okay, sorry, sir. Correct. Okay, I got. Okay. Sir, read my fourth last chat. Bani, to read your fourth last chat, I have to go again. Do one thing. Send it again one time, please. Please copy it and paste again. Because many chats are coming now. I won't be able to reach it again. Please copy paste it again. Yes, Tushita, it is correct. 11.4. You can solve and get the answer. Bani, please confirm. 1 second. Okay, you are saying, sir, how we know area, so only height is left, so we can isolate and check. Yes, Bani, that's the correct answer. So we can easily find the QN by isolating it, and we get the answer as 91.2 upon 8. And Sarvagya, you said you find it difficult to solve with decimals. You can remove it also if you want, and then you can solve and again put the decimal in the end. Okay, you can avoid these decimals if you want, but my suggestion to you is try more and more questions on decimals. Okay, now question number 6 is, I think, similar. Let's see. I'm giving you the hint. You can try on your own. DL and BM are the heights. So DL is the height given to you and BM is the height given to you on the basis AB and AD respectively. If area of parallelogram is 1470, you already know the area. Area is 1470 centimeter square and AB is 35, AD is 49. This is 35, this is 49. Find the length of BM and DL. It is very nice question. You will get 2 equations in this question class. This is a very nice question. You will make 2 equations with corresponding base and height, and you will find the remaining height. I hope it is clear to you, because area is same. Area is same. You will just equate the area is equal to corresponding height and base, and whatever is missing you can find. Class, is this thing clear to you? That's why I'm not doing this question for you. Okay. Question number 7. Triangle ABC is right angled at A. This triangle ABC is right angled at A. AD is perpendicular. Okay, time is also up. So I will stop over here. We will discuss it later. First, you try on your own.